What if I told you there's a full-size hybrid SUV that can go up to 1,500 kilometers on a tank, accelerate like a sports car, park itself sideways, drive off-road, pamper 6 adults in massage seats, and still cost around 35 grand? Sounds like clickbait, right? Well, meet the Geely Galaxy M9, and no, this thing is very real. Today we're talking about the Geely Galaxy M9, and this car is basically Geely saying, "Okay world, we're done warming up now, we're playing in the big leagues." This is not some budget experiment or a stripped-down hybrid. This is a full-size, 3-row plug-in hybrid SUV designed to compete with premium names without the premium price shock. And here's the fun part. Geely isn't trying to win by being the cheapest. They're aiming for something way more dangerous. Value overload. More tech than you expect, more comfort than you asked for, and performance that makes you double-check the spec sheet like, wait, that can't be right. So in this video, we're breaking down what the Galaxy M9 really offers, from its smart hybrid system and AI-powered driver assist to the interior that feels more like a rolling lounge than a family hauler. We'll talk numbers, real-world usability, and why this SUV might make some established brands very, very uncomfortable. Grab a coffee, buckle up, and let's find out whether the Galaxy M9 is just another bold promise or a genuine game changer. Let's dive in. The expected starting price? About $35,000. That's thousands less than similarly sized competitors with comparable tech and power. And Geely openly says, affordable doesn't mean cutting corners, end quote, any-wise, end quote. Bold claim, especially in today's market. Sales in China start at the end of August, with international markets including Europe coming next. Outside China, Galaxy models are usually sold simply as Geely, meaning the M9 could become the brand's global flagship. And honestly, that makes a lot of sense. Under the hood, things get spicy. The Galaxy M9 uses a plug-in hybrid EMP system, combining a 1.5-liter turbo engine making 163 horsepower, 3 electric motors, front motor, 245 HP, 2 rear motors, 231 HP each. Total system output, a wild 707 horsepower. Yes, 707 in a family SUV. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, that's 0.62 miles per hour, takes 4.5 seconds. That's sports sedan territory, while carrying kids, groceries, and your weekend IKEA regrets. Thanks to the triple motor setup, torque distribution is fully intelligent. The car decides in real time how much power goes to each wheel. Result, confident handling on pavement, surprisingly capable off-road performance. And yes, 360-degree tank turns. This thing can literally rotate in place and squeeze into parking spots that would make a pickup cry. It even climbs 70-degree inclines during testing, which is frankly more than most owners will ever attempt unless you live on a volcano. Standard equipment includes a dual-chamber air suspension, not optional, not part of a luxury pack, but standard. Ground clearance in normal mode is 200 millimeters, so speed bumps and curbs aren't scary anymore. Add to that CDC adaptive dampers, automatic stiffness adjustment based on road conditions, suspension tuning by Lotus engineers. Yes, that Lotus also part of Geely Group. Translation: smooth on highways, composed in corners, and surprisingly comfortable even on rough roads. Now let's talk brains. The Galaxy M9 runs G-Pilot H5, Geely's next-gen driver assistance system, powered by 11 cameras, 3mm wave radars, 1 LiDAR. The system doesn't rely entirely on HD maps. It reads the road live, making decisions in real time. It can brake automatically, avoid obstacles, change lanes smoothly, operate at speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour. Even sudden tire puncture tests and wet road emergency maneuvers were handled without losing trajectory. That's the kind of tech that doesn't shout, it just quietly saves the day. Here's where things get impressive. Fuel consumption: 4.8 liters per 100 kilometers, even with a depleted battery. Battery options: 18.4 kilowatt hours up to 100 kilometers. 62 miles, electric only. 41.5 kilowatt hours, up to 185 kilometers. 115 miles, electric only. Total combined range? Up to 1,500 kilometers or about 930 miles. That's road trip freedom without range anxiety. Gas stations become optional, not mandatory. This is a big SUV, no hiding it. Dimensions: length 5,205 millimeters, width 1,999 millimeters, height 1,800 millimeters, wheelbase 3,030 millimeters. Curb weight ranges from 2.4 to 2.5 tons, depending on configuration. But thanks to smart packaging, the interior space utilization hits an insane 88.3%, one of the highest in its class. Total cabin area? 5.2 square meters. That's living room on wheels territory. Seating layout: 3 rows, 6 individual seats. Second row features captain's chairs with easy access to the third row. Every seat has power adjustment, heating. First 2 rows add ventilation, massage. Up front, massive 30-inch 6K display, shared by driver and passenger. 12.7-inch digital cluster, head-up display. Optional extras include 9-liter refrigerator, 17 3-inch ceiling-mounted entertainment screen, and yes, a 27-speaker Fly EM auto sound system. This isn't just premium, it's turn down the music so we can talk premium. The onboard AI assistant understands natural speech, detects mood, remembers habits, holds real conversations, can even change voice and dialect. It's less robot voice and more helpful co-pilot who actually listens. With all seats up, 328 liters. Enough for 6 medium suitcases, with rows folded. Up to 2,171 liters. Translation: family trips? Easy. Moving apartments? Almost doable. The Geely Galaxy M9 isn't just another large SUV with a long spec sheet. This car feels like a statement, and a very intentional one. Geely isn't trying to shock the market with crazy discounts or undercut everyone at any cost. Instead, they're doing something much smarter, offering flagship-level technology, space, and performance at a price that still feels reasonable. At around $34,800 to start, the Galaxy M9 lands in a zone where buyers normally have to compromise. You usually choose either space, or performance, or tech. Here, you don't. You get all 3+ comfort features that some premium brands still charge extra for. What's especially interesting is how balanced this SUV feels on paper. It's fast, but not aggressive. Big, but not clumsy. Tech-heavy, but not overwhelming. And most importantly, it doesn't feel like a science experiment, it feels like a finished, well-thought-out product. Geely is clearly using everything it has learned from Volvo, Polestar, Lotus, Lynk & Co., and Zeekr, and pouring that knowledge into one model. The result is an SUV that doesn't copy European brands, it meets them on equal ground, and in some areas, quietly surpasses them. If build quality and long-term reliability match the ambition, and that's the final piece of the puzzle, the Galaxy M9 could easily become one of the most important family SUVs of the next few years. Not because it's the cheapest, not because it's the flashiest, but because it might be the most sensible premium choice in a segment full of overpriced options. And that's what should really make competitors nervous. Alright, that's it for today, but the conversation is just getting started. The Geely Galaxy M9 clearly shows one thing: the global SUV game is changing fast. And whether you're ready for it or not, brands like Geely are no longer chasing the leaders, they're setting new expectations. More tech, more comfort, more performance, and fewer compromises. Honestly, not a bad direction for car buyers at all. Now I'm curious, would you actually consider a Chinese flagship SUV like the Galaxy M9? Or would you still stick with the traditional European or American brands? Be honest, no brand loyalty wars here. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If this video helped you see the market a little differently, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more deep dives into next-gen cars, future tech, and models that are about to shake the industry, subscribe to autoexpert and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. We've got a lot more exciting content ahead, real reviews, honest opinions, and no marketing fluff. Thanks for watching, drive safe, keep your tank full, your battery charged, and I'll see you in the next one.